You know that sitting in the toilet for a long period of time, it can make you to develop a hemorrhoid. So maybe right now you are watching this video on the toilet. Hello friends, welcome to International Medical TV. In this video, I'm going to share with you common causes of hemorrhoid and ways that can help you to cure it completely. Before we jump into the video, if it's the first time you are watching our video, I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the notification bell so that you won't miss out on our upcoming educated videos. To the returning subscribers, thank you for supporting this educated YouTube channel. So now, without any further ado, let's get into details. Hello friends, welcome to International Medical TV. Like I said at the beginning of this video, today I'll be sharing with you common causes of hemorrhoid and things that you have to do to cure it permanently. Let me begin the video with discussing common causes of hemorrhoid so that you can have a full information about hemorrhoid. So the first one is training during bowel movement. So this can put pressure to the nerves and veins in the anus and the rectum, leading to inflammation and irritation, which can cause a hemorrhoid. Secondly is constipation or chronic diarrhea. This is one of the leading causes of hemorrhoid because this can irritate and affect the veins in the anus and the rectum, leading to irritations and the inflammation around the anus and the rectum. Causes number 3 is sitting for a long period of time. You know, like I said at the beginning of this video, sitting in the toilet for a long period of time, it can make you to develop a hemorrhoid. And sitting for a long period of time, particularly for drivers, tailors, and anyone that is sitting for a long period of time, it can make him or her to develop a hemorrhoid because this it put a pressure to the nerves and the vein around the anus and the rectum, leading to inflammation, irritation, and the pain, which can cause a hemorrhoid. Also, obesity and overweight is one of the leading causes of hemorrhoid because this put pressure to the nerves and veins around the anus and the rectum. So now let's talk about ways that can help you to cure hemorrhoids permanently. So the first one is increase in the fiber intake. You know, eating a food that is rich in the fiber, it can help to soften stools and it helps to reduce the strains during bowel movement. So secondly is avoid sitting for a long period of time. You know, like I said in the beginning, sitting for a long period of time, it is one of the leading causes of hemorrhoid because if you are sitting for a long period of time, it can make you to develop the inflammations and the pain and the irritation. If you avoid sitting for a long period of time, it can help you to cure hemorrhoid in a short period of time without using any kind of medication. This can help to prevent yourself from having a hemorrhoid permanently. Way number 4 that can help you to cure hemorrhoid is using over-the-counter medication. There is a lot of over-the-counter medications that contain hydrocortisone and lidocaine, which can help to reduce the pain and the inflammation around your anus, which is caused by the hemorrhoid. The next way that can help you to cure hemorrhoid is consider medical intervention. If you have tried a lot of products and the method to cure hemorrhoid and there is no improvement, so speaking with your healthcare provider, it can help you to cure it within a short period of time. Because maybe your hemorrhoid is chronic, and if you speak with your healthcare provider, he will examine you to see which method will be better for you. Also, taking a pain relievers like diclofenac, ibuprofen, it can help to alleviate the pain which is caused by the hemorrhoid. So don't forget that this method that I have shown in this video, they might not be effective and suitable for anyone. So before you start any kind of new treatment, so make sure you speak with your healthcare provider for better intervention and to make sure that this method that I have shown in this video, they are safe for you. So here we have come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful and educative, so make sure you subscribe to this video, like and comment and share it to your family and friends. See you in the next video.